chapter 13, magnetism. In this we have to see the expression for torque acting on magnetic dipole in a uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. Now this is, suppose, a uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field B, that is uniform magnetic induction, and this is, suppose, a magnetic dipole. This pole of the magnet is, suppose, a north pole. This pole of the magnet is, suppose, south pole. Pole strength of north pole is plus m. Pole strength of S pole is minus m. Magnetic length is twice L. Twice L is the magnetic length. On this pole, force acting on the dipole F is equal to plus mb. F is equal to plus mb. On this pole, force is acting. F is equal to minus mb. Force acting on north pole is directed towards magnetic induction B, and the force acting on south pole is directed away or opposite to the direction of magnetic induction. Therefore, negative sign is given here, minus mb. Here a positive sign is given in the direction of magnetic induction, that is a plus mb. Now this angle is, suppose, theta. Theta is the angle made by the magnetic dipole with the direction of magnetic induction, and this np is the perpendicular distance between these two forces. F is equal to plus mb and F is equal to minus mb. Here np is the perpendicular distance. Now the torque or couple, torque acting on the magnet, torque acting on the magnet is given by magnitude of torque acting is given by magnitude of 1 of force into perpendicular distance between two forces. Here perpendicular distance between two forces is np, and magnitude of one of the force, magnitude of force F is equal to plus mb and F is equal to minus mb, magnitude is mb. This is mb. Torque is, suppose, tau into perpendicular distance is np. Now this formula F is equal to mb is similar to electric intensity. According to definition of electric intensity, that is E is equal to F divided by Q0. Electric intensity at a point in an electric field is defined as force per unit positive charge acting at that point. Similar to this equation, the magnetic induction is also given by B is equal to force per unit pole strength. B is equal to F by M. Therefore, from this equation, F is equal to E into Q, Q0. Similarly, from this equation, F is equal to M into B. Now, this force F is equal to mb acting on north pole and F is equal to minus mb acting on south pole is similar to this equation. या इक्वेशन प्रमाणे हे इथं आलेलं आहे. It is for your simplicity, that is for according to electrostatic. Now, magnitude of torque acting on the magnet kept in external magnetic induction B is given by magnitude of one of the force and perpendicular distance between two forces. Perpendicular distance between two forces. Here these are the two forces acting and NP is here perpendicular distance, therefore magnitude of one of the force is MB and perpendicular distance between two forces is NP. Now from this triangle, from triangle SNP, from triangle SNP, sin theta is equal to NP divided by twice L. Therefore, NP is equal to twice L sin theta. Now use this value of NP in this equation. The torque acting on the magnet is given by tau is equal to M into B into twice L sin theta. Here value of NP is used in this equation, suppose 1. Now therefore tau is equal to M into twice L into B sin theta. But here M into twice L is equal to capital M, magnetic dipole moment of the bar magnet. Therefore, using M into twice L is equal to capital M, that is magnetic dipole moment. Now using this value in this equation, the torque acting on the magnetic dipole is given by tau is equal to MB sin theta. This is the final expression, that is the torque acting on magnetic dipole when kept in the external magnetic induction. Now in a vector form, this equation can be written as vector tau is equal to vector M cross vector B. In vector form, this is the formula for torque. Now case first, there are two cases. Case number 1. If theta is equal to 90 degree or 180 degree, hello, 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 हॅलो हॅलो, मी पिरियड घ्यायला लागलो इथं. बरं थोडं. If theta is equal to 90 degree or 180 degree, then sin 90 degree is equal to 0 and sin 180 degree is also equal to 0. Therefore, torque acting on the magnet is equal to 0 when this sin 0 is 0, that is when this magnet is parallel to magnetic induction B. That means theta is equal to 0 or 180 degree. When this magnet is parallel to magnetic induction B, then sin 0 is 0 and sin 180 is also 0. Therefore, torque acting on the bar magnet is equal to 0. Now case second. If theta is equal to 90 degree, then tau is equal to m into b into sin 90 degree. But sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Therefore, tau is equal to m into b. This is the total torque. This is the total torque acting on the magnet, or maximum torque acting on the magnet when it is perpendicular to uniform magnetic induction B. Now from this equation we can also define the magnetic dipole moment. The magnitude of magnetic dipole moment, that is tau divided by B is equal to m. And when B is equal to 1, tau is equal to m. From this equation we can define the magnitude of magnetic induction. Therefore, magnitude of magnetic induction can also be defined as the torque acting on the bar magnet when kept in uniform unit magnetic induction. When this magnet is kept in uniform unit magnetic induction, then torque acting on that magnet is nothing but magnetic dipole moment.